Hi everybody, I want to give you a quick overview of the lay of the land in a course. I definitely have a little bit more of some more instructional design in my course just because I don't want you to have a 10-story Moodle. So the first thing you'll notice right off the bat is that I use what's called a social format. I want us to be a community of learners, so right here in the center will be a place where Lauren and I will post stuff, you can post stuff, resources, ask questions, get help, celebrate, vent if you need to, hopefully not at us, but the social forum is our forum, so this thing will grow and get bigger, and it's just a great way to connect with each other. These are pretty self-explanatory. You click on anything that's kind of a brown link, your syllabus will download to you. If there's something really important and I need to make sure all of you see, I will use the course announcement system, which will push to your email, but sometimes those can go into spam, so you want to click that every once in a while, because if I've made a course announcement, then I really need you to look at it, and sometimes you may not read all of the stuff in the social forum. Here is our Twitter account. We are going to actually add an account because I want it to be permanent. That is a change from using hashtag mobile NCSU, because mobile NCSU, all that stuff will fall off after 5 days, whereas if you tweet with @mobile NCSU in the middle of your tweet, then it will stay there permanently. Eventually you guys will all be loading in your Twitter accounts and your Tumblr accounts so that we can all communicate and look at each other's, and then after the course is over you obviously can make that private. Every week I will change out my Voki, just another way of me trying to give you the lay of the land, so you want to listen to those. Every week I will change them, and the name here will change to indicate that I've changed the message. How my navigation really works is just right over here. I'll go to a more typical week. So week 1, this is the name of the week, and I want to go ahead and you're going to get an overview. And that's just really your learning goals, and then a quick at a glance what you're going to be doing and when it's due. If there was anything I was going to print, I might print this page. And then the next thing will actually be your activity. And then again, these are very self-explanatory. Anything in blue is going to be a link or a PDF or a video or something that you need to read, view, or listen or watch, and you're required to do all of these. It will also include your textbook up here, and here's the Ally PDF, which chapter 1 is like the first one. So you would read chapter 1 in here, and that's the PDF, and this is a link, and then this is a link to a PDF. We did do SlideShare presentations for each week, so you're welcome to look at that. Those are option. Then you'll see your discussion. You do have a forum discussion. Here are your questions. Then you always will have an activity every week, except for like 1 or 2 weeks. And then step by step, I tell you what you need to do. And then you have your rubrics right here. And so that's really how each week works. And then, so you would do the overview, you would read your stuff, do your activity, and then when you're ready to answer your questions, you're going to go to the forum and you're going to post here. I want to make one note about that. Please do not compose your answer on Moodle. Don't do it. Don't do it. Do it on a Google Doc. Write up your answer, put your references in there, edit it, walk away, go have a cup of coffee, come back, look at it again. Because if you try to compose your answer in the forum Moodle itself, in the text window, and you walk away and come back and you push submit and it gives you this yellow bar, you cannot back button to your answer. You will lose your answer. So draft your answers on a Google Doc, then copy and paste them. Okay? So again, real quick, just as a quick other one, just so you can see how it works. Same thing. You're going to have an overview. Okay, real quick, what are you doing? And then all the things that you need to do this week, the things you need to read. There is no forum this week, and then all the activity, and then your rubric. And that's basically how it works each week. Everything is pretty much due on a Wednesday. I think almost everything in the course is due on a Wednesday. There are a couple weeks I give you off. Obviously, you get spring break off. You don't have an activity this week. I think this week is a work week. No, week 12 is just a work week. Then your final projects are due, and then we just have one last social get-together here. I have some RSS feeds in here that you may want to take note of, and then I will load in all your due dates in the calendar here, and this is where you would go to look at your feedback for your grades. So that was a really fast video, not really fast, but a real quick way to just show you how you navigate. You can't break anything on the web, so click on everything. Always email me if you have any questions or a link isn't working, and I hope that was helpful. All right, take care.